So currently, if you take my current assignment, right? So I have like sprint reports, velocity charts, and these details as of now.
Right.
And I'm the Scrum
We can
Master
take
for
it
this.
one-on-one because this is again related to current assignment. We are
Okay.
taking one-on-one because it is.
Yeah, but my question is
The
how
train
to
is
draw
7 minutes
CFD.
late.
Okay, okay, got it.
It's
Yeah,
just because that, but I don't want to want Priyanka and Vikas to spend that time. That's a reason. Otherwise, yeah. And we
sure.
can take it up because we have 8 hours remaining, and even after that, you can pick me up. Not a problem. But unofficial learning of 8 hours is specifically dedicated for your current assignment.
Yeah.
Makes more sense. Right.
Okay.
So now, yes, question: how's your learning? The whole 16 hours we completed, and how's your learning? And journey towards outcomes and innovations. And what are you going to do differently?
I'd like to start. In
Yes,
one of previous organization, we were setting up a new development center, and I was given a responsibility. Had I known this, I could have done something more better in defining what will be the service outcome, what could be the success outcome of setting a development center, and when to say the development center is successful. Or I mean, one point is they are billable, they are producing results. That's fine. That is one center. There could be other parameters which I missed it out. Right. I mean, there could be different stages when you're hiring, totally setting up to a new city with a new team. You could have learning is first service requirement. Getting gelling with their main development center could be another success outcome. And though they are virtually but acting like a team could be an overall outcome for me as a success parameter of that particular offshore development center. So this is something. And next step is for other contexts. I will start looking with the perspective of the outcome, defining outcome first and getting into more detail later on to identify how risky it is, how fruitful it's going to be.
right. I think, yeah, thank you very much because that says a lot. And thank you very much, Vikas. Yeah, over to Priyanka.
Yeah, I think I just second what Vikas has said.
Right.
So I'm planning to actually help my product managers and product owners. So to start talking in terms of outcomes, right? Especially when they do the release planning, right? And then this is something which I also want to discuss with you during our one-on-one, right?
Of course, yes.
How much, I mean, how much time we should give the team for innovation before they do the actual planning, right? And how the product owners or the managers should define the outcome, right? What's the best way for them? Is there any template or anything which we can share with them? Then coming to the metrics and the measures, also another point which I think that's critical one that we should always focus on. There are many metrics and measures that are available, but all of them may not be useful. Then talking about there's another one which I'm forgetting. Yeah, the Pareto analysis. I like that. So many of the teams, when they comes to the team level, they do the retrospective, they pick up the full list of what didn't go well, and they start working on it. So probably this could be an opportunity for me to coach them in this area. They can have different tools to prioritize what need to be fixed first. Using CFD, this is again my current assignment, which I can discuss with you. How can I apply the CFD for my operations team?
Yeah, definitely. We can discuss.
Right.
Absolutely, yes.
How can we help them to reduce their lead time, cycle time,
Right.
right? All those things when they are not aware of any of those. They don't understand the value of it. How should I approach them in explaining all this?
Right. Definitely. I think we must. Let's do that in the next.
So I'll probably take next week to
Fair enough.
write down my learnings from this.
Sure.
And then probably in the last week of December, I'll set up some time with you.
Fair enough. Let's do on last week of December.
Yeah.
All right, Priyanka. Thank you very much. And over to Jansi.
Yeah. So with my current assignment, we are doing Agile. So I want to move the state to being in Agile, and there are many, loopholes, or I can say, we are not doing it as expected with respect to my knowledge, my experience as a Scrum Master or as development. Definitely, I'm going to work first I need to understand these learnings, and then identify what are the areas that I can improve on with my current assignment. And with help from you and guidance from you, how can I apply these to make my current assignment into a better success outcome oriented one?
All right, make absolute sense. And thank you very much, Jansi also. And, I too enjoyed a lot, because we were discussing so much of things. Because again, Vikas is an independent consultant coming from service background, and he has different challenges. And at the same time, Priyanka is coming from a product background, and she has a different challenge. And again, Jansi, yes, from a migration project, and that also has different challenges. And first 8 hours, yes, we built the base, and the next year, then we were discussing about the case studies, and finally, yes, the day-to-day operations management, and the demonstration of other items. And now, yeah, absolutely. And thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to serve you all, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dilip. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you, everyone.